Hello, class 11th. So, today I am starting with the offline sessions, and we would be covering Unit 3 of microeconomics from the offline sessions. So, Unit 2 and Unit 3 would go simultaneously, but offline videos would be uploaded only twice or thrice a week. So you need to cover up the content plus the notes of this unit in your copies and update yourself properly. So today we are starting with unit 3, which is producer behavior. Now when you are studying about this concept, I would request all of you to think with the perspective of producers. Okay, how a producer behaves when situation changes for him, all that thing is discussed in this unit. So we will have to understand, our core study goes around the behavior of a producer. So when you're studying about producer behavior, make sure you think with the point of view of producer. When you do that, it becomes easy for you to have an understanding and develop an understanding about this unit. Okay, so today's video will have a very short explanation about production and related concepts. So today I'll take a very lighter topic, what is production, and then we discuss some more elements related to production. So your unit is producer behavior. Under this you study three concepts. The first concept is production. Okay. So the first concept says what is production. Production अपनी class 9th में भी discuss किया. We have already discussed what is production in class 9. A small part of it was also discussed in class 10. Okay, in general conversation, not there was no as such concept. So what is production? Production is basically a transformation activity. It is a process which converts raw materials into outputs. Now when we call raw materials in microeconomics, these raw material refers to inputs. Okay, so production is basically a process where certain inputs get converted into output. Output is what? Finished good or final good. So basically what is production? A system or a process which converts certain raw materials, which are called inputs, into outputs. Outputs are referred as final product. Okay, now this process takes place with the help of a technique, with certain kind of technique. When I say technique, we involve certain machineries into this process. Even a basic production, maybe conversion of your flour dough into chapati also involves a technique. उसमें gas stove एक technique हो जाएगा, and that roller pin, that is belan, would be a technique which flattens the chapati into a circle or shape, right? So even the smallest kind of production involves certain kind of technique. उसमें कुछ ना कुछ technology use होता है. There is certain equipment used. So all production activities involve certain kind of technique. Even the smallest kind of a farmer would use some kind of technique. अगर उसके पास harvesters नहीं होंगे, उसके पास tractors नहीं होंगे, उसके पास एक set of बैल होंगे to plow his fields, right? So there is certain kind of technique involved in any kind of production. So production basically is a technical activity. Okay, and this technique varies from production to production, from kind of production or production का जो टाइप है उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि टेक्निक कैसी होगी. टेक्निक नॉट ऑलवेज मीन्स अ वेरी सोफेस्टिकेटेड हाई ग्रेडेड टेक्निक. ओके, टेक्निक में इन्वॉल्व इवन स्मॉल equipments, like I gave you an example of chapati, right? So production activities are technical activity in microeconomics. And what does production means? It basically means conversion of inputs into outputs. You know what are inputs? Inputs are raw materials and output is final goods. Now for our understanding, we should also know that it's not only one input used for any production activity, there are various inputs used. So when I'll from the next class onward, when I'll refer to inputs, I may refer inputs as I1, I2, I3. Okay, that means various inputs are used to convert to get the final product. Suppose we are baking a cake. Now when you are baking a cake, your technique is that oven, right? So it's always already a technical activity where we will be using certain kind of technique. Secondly, there will be many inputs used. You will be using flour, sugar, cream, vanilla essence, many amount, choco chips, some kind of flavors you will be using. All these are inputs, and your final product would be cake, right? So remember, what is production? Production is a conversion activity. Conversion activity इसलिए हम उसको transformation भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, then what does it do? It converts inputs into output. There are various inputs used in any production activity, and any smallest kind of production involves a technique, so it's a technical activity. Now, production of any commodity, production of any kind depends on the inputs. Okay, that is I1, I2, I3, In. This is how we are going to refer inputs. Okay, so production of any goods depends on the quantum and the quality of inputs we have, right? And if we and these inputs give us what? These inputs give us output. What is output? Final product. That means there has to be a certain relationship between inputs and output. Input और output के बीच एक relationship establish होता है, because output depends on inputs. Quality plus quantity. Quality के बारे में अभी हम बात नहीं करेंगे. That is not the scope of our syllabus. But we will be talking about the quantum of inputs. So output कितना बनेगा, कैसा बनेगा, that depends on the inputs. That means these two have certain kind of relationship. Okay, and this relationship is referred as production function. The relationship between physical inputs and output is referred as production function. So what is production function? Production के बाद I have slowly come down to discussing the second topic, which is production function. पहला topic discuss किया production, second is production function. Production function is what? Basically it establishes a relationship between inputs and output. Now the features of this production function and how does it look like, or how do we use it, would be discussed in the next video. So for today's video, very small, very brief introduction about what is production. You know, it's conversion of raw materials into output. Second thing we learned, that raw materials would be referred as inputs in, from now onwards. Final product would be referred as output, and our output depends on the input. मतलब output और input के बीच एक relationship है. That relationship is called as production function. Now in the next video we discuss what is production function. Keep following the videos. If you want, you can subscribe my channel. It's a private channel, you won't be able to search it, so you can subscribe it, and then you'll be able to view all the videos related to this unit. Secondly, if you don't watch the first video, you don't understand what is going on in the second. So please keep following on a regular basis so that you don't have any problem in the upcoming videos. These are very, very important, plus a little tricky topics of microeconomics. So I suggest you that you keep on following it regularly. If you have any doubts, do talk to us in our 11 CD economics group. Thank you so much. Have a great day.